My name is Dr. Livingston. So, in continuation to our series 2 video, we talked about the spirit of succubus and incubus. So, I'm going to be talking about the next realm of the satanic kingdom. Remember, after Satan was cast out from heaven, some demons fell to the earth, some fell into the waters, some fell into the heavenly realm. So, I'm going to talk about the demons that dwell in the water spirit, also known as marine spirit demons. Now, these marine spirit demons are also synonymous to those demons of the Nephilims. I talk about in Genesis chapter 6, how Nephilims, the sons of God, the angels, the fallen angels, slept with women and got them pregnant, and they had the Nephilims. So now, what causes these demons to come to humans is because of some of the practices our ancestors or fathers or some generations or some cultures practice. Some cultures dedicate themselves to marine spirit deities, to water deities. Some ancestral people worship these marine deities, and then for this reason they dedicated their families, their children, and their generation to these gods. And by dedicating them to these gods, they have what we call a covenant with this kingdom, with the marine spirit kingdom. Because of this covenant, you will see that in some regions, in some villages, in some communities, in some nations, especially those that live near the waters, the marine, the aquatic realm, see that they have what we call collective captivity, because the operation of marine spirits are very high in this region. Do you know why you sleep in dreams? Sometimes you start having sex in dreams. Now the thing is, so many people deny the existence of the marine spirit. But then when you sleep, some people deny the existence of the spirit realm. But how come when you sleep, sometimes some people have sex in their dreams, and it is so real? For the male, when they wake up, they see their body is wet, they see some fluids coming out of their penis and they're wet. For the ladies, they're totally wet, they know somebody has slept with them, and this is not physical. So that is a spiritual thing. That is why I am talking about the spiritual realm. It is very true. It is real. And demons sleep with men. Demons sleep with humans. You must understand that there are three realms, there are three kingdoms of the satanic kingdom, which are the kingdoms of the air, that in the heavens, the water kingdom, and the earth kingdom. And I want to talk about some facts about the marine spirit kingdom. We should know that the marine spirits or marine powers, they operate in waters. They can easily be against a person, because the world population, if you look at the human body, about 70 to 75% of the human body is made up of water. And about 75 to 85% of the world is covered with water. And you need to also realize that God created everything out of water, and for this reason, that is why water plays a very important dominant role in the life of people. Now, what does this marine spirit do? Remember, I talked about how the Nephilims were born because the sons of God, which are angels, fallen angels, had sexual affairs with women, and they had the Nephilims, which were destroyed, and their spirit was transferred, because their spirit cannot go back to heaven, to God, because their spirit was a spirit that rebelled against God. So these are the spirits that form the succubus and incubus demons, the sex demons that sleep with people. Now, what happens is this: when these demons sleep with people, or they sleep with ladies or male, most of them become married to these ladies in the spiritual realm, and automatically this person becomes their wife. So I talk about our ancestors who bring these demons into a family. So when this happens, that becomes the reason why so many women cannot marry. They do everything. They're well educated, they're beautiful, well behaved, they've got a good job, but no man is marrying them. And they're wondering, what is happening with me? They've prayed, they've done everything, and nothing is working. It could be that you have a spirit husband, which is the spirit of succubus and incubus, which you will have been married to in the spiritual realm. And because you are married to these demons in the spiritual realm, you cannot marry in the physical realm. If you marry in the physical realm, you see that so many men, after marrying some women, they become very poor. They were doing very well, their businesses were working, but as soon as they marry this woman, who is a wife to a demon, then without even knowing, the demon strikes them. Some demons even kill some men. You see some women, they marry the first time and divorce, they marry the second time and divorce, the third time and divorce, and then they keep wondering what is happening. They do everything to make sure the marriage works, but the marriage doesn't work. You see some women, they marry the first man, the man dies. They marry the second wife, the man dies. The third man dies. It is simply the fact that this marine demons, the spirit husband you're having, is the one killing those men. Some men have spirit wives, and by the time they go to marry another woman, the spirit wife revolt and brings them down, bring down their businesses. If they're working, they start having problems in their workplace. So marine demons are the most dangerous set of demons. Marine kingdom is the most dangerous kingdom in the satanic realm. They have a high hierarchy of demons. They are more wicked than the witchcraft kingdom. As a matter of fact, when marine demons are against somebody, they don't leave until they totally destroy the person. And